Most people think going offshore is simple. You form a company in a low-tax country, and suddenly your costs drop, and privacy increases. But here's the truth no one tells you. Offshore structures can look cheap at the start, and then slowly become expensive in ways you did not expect. In this video you will understand the hidden costs of going offshore in 2026, including banking fees, compliance traps, maintenance expenses, and the mistakes that silently drain your money. By the end, you will know what actually costs money and how to avoid overpaying. Let's start with the biggest surprise. Formation is the easy part. A lot of people think paying a registration fee is the main cost. But here's the problem. That is only step one. The real cost begins after your company is formed. Now here's where it gets interesting. Annual maintenance fees can stack up quickly. You may need registered agents, annual renewals, economic substance filings, and compliance reports. For someone like Alex running an online business, these recurring costs can quietly exceed the initial setup within 1 year. But that is not all. Banking is often the most underestimated expense. Offshore or international business accounts usually come with monthly fees, transaction charges, and currency conversion costs. And if your business has cross-border payments, these fees multiply fast. John, a freelancer working with global clients, often sees a noticeable cut in earnings just from payment processing alone. Here's another hidden cost most people miss. Accounting and tax filing. Even if your offshore jurisdiction has low or zero corporate tax, your home country may still require reporting. That means hiring accountants in multiple regions. And that is not cheap. Now here's where it gets even more important. Compliance mistakes can become extremely expensive. Missing a filing deadline or misunderstanding substance requirements can lead to penalties or even company suspension. And fixing these issues usually costs far more than doing it correctly from the start. Finally, there's the cost of structure complexity. The more entities you add, the more you pay for coordination, legal advice, and banking relationships. What starts as a simple offshore setup can turn into a multi-layer system that needs constant management. So the real lesson is this. Offshore is not just about saving taxes. It is about managing ongoing costs intelligently. If you plan it wrong, you don't save money. You actually spend more. If you want more clear breakdowns like this, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. It helps you avoid costly mistakes before they happen.